Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a super easy Valentine's date look. In my last Valentine's video, I did a super easy, in my opinion, super easy and affordable Valentine's look that was more for like a party or girls' night out or bar hopping type of situation. It wasn't a formal date setting situation. This one is more of a like actual date. You go out on a date with a guy or girl, and this would be a perfect look for it. Pretty simple, pretty easy look. I don't want to ramble too much. I want to get right into this video, but before we do that, you've already made it this far. I'm pretty sure you've seen some of my other videos, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss any of my postings. I would truly appreciate it, and it would definitely help me out. So let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable medium to full coverage foundation. I love this foundation. This is in the shade Spiced Rum if you are following my skin tone, if you're referencing me. I'm just going to use one pump of this foundation because I don't want it to be super full coverage. I want this to be a flawless but natural looking type of look today. And I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever 108 straight brush. Okay, that one pump did a pretty full coverage that I was not going for, but it's okay. Today I'm going to be doing my contour with no contour type routine, so I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I know that I have to work really fast with this concealer, so I'm going to do it in parts. I'm going to apply it in parts and then blend it out as I apply it. I'm not going to apply all of it and then blend it out. I'm going to apply in certain spots, blend it, go to the next spot, blend it, because I want to make sure that this is a seamless look. I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge to blend that out. I'm going to be using my 106 straight brush from Makeup Forever to powder under my eyes and over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this Morphe puffy brush, contour brush, and I'm going to dip into Coffee from Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I'm just going to lightly dust that across my contour. So now that we have our base done, I'm going to do my brows and I will be right back. Brows are done, base is done. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. This is going to be a super simple look. I wish I could tell you how much it was going to cost, but some of the prices I don't know. Some of the things that I got came in the mail, either through BoxyCharm or something like that, or yeah. But onto the eyes. So the first thing we're going to do with this eye look is going to be super, super simple. We are going to take this BoxyCharm Forest of the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette from Tarte. This came in my BoxyCharm. I think I mentioned that. This came in my BoxyCharm, so we're going to use this darkest color right here and probably incorporate this goldish color, but we're just going to really focus on this color right here. And I'm going to take my Morphe 218 brush, very fluffy, very big blending brush, and I'm just going to dip into that. And I'm going to take that in my brow. And keep it in this corner here, this outer corner area, and just blend it. Now that we've got that, I can see that there's like two-toned to this because it's so shimmery. So honestly, I don't feel like anything else is necessary for the look that I'm going for. So we are done with this palette. And now I'm going to dip into line. We're going to eyeline. We're going to do a nice little wing for this liner. We're going to use a classic black. I'm going to be using the NYX Epic eyeliner. Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm just going to wing my eyes. It's not going to be a giant wing or anything like that, but a nice size wing. My eyeliner is always so terrible, but it's okay. The black eyeliner is not the focus of this look. Thank God. So next, we're going to be using another eyeliner that I just had and has just disappeared on me. Seriously, I just had it. I swear there's like a ghost in my house because this was just here and then it wasn't and then it was. So this is a eyeliner that I got in the mail a couple days ago. I couldn't remember where it came from, but it is from HANDAIYAN. I don't know how you say that, but it is a glitter liquid eyeliner, and I tried it over the weekend and I absolutely like it. I won't say I love it, but I do like it. I like how it looks. It's very pigmented, so I was excited to use this and I'm excited to show you guys. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take this, not a very, I mean, you can do it as thin as you like, as thick as you like, but I'm going to make it just very on top of this liner and visible. Just make it visible. That's the point. It is Valentine's Day, so, you know, the red is the focus of this look. So we're going to do that. So that is what that will look like. I'm going to do the other one off camera. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, do my lashes, and I will be back to finish this look. Okay. Always dropping something. Our eyes are done. Because my lashes are so big, I would opt to, if you're going to use big lashes like this, make your liner a little thicker, but that's just on you. I like how it is. I like how the way that it peeks out the side and through the inside. So yeah. Now we're going to, I don't understand why I can't find any of my brushes. So I'm just going to use this one because I don't feel like getting up right now. So we're going to use this brush right here, and I'm just going to use the tip, and I'm going to go into this color right here and go into the inner corners with that. And I'm going to take a little bit of that into my brow bone. Just a real little bit. Because it's already so shimmery that this is really not even necessary. So I just gave it a little bit of highlight. But that is it for our eyes on that. I'm moving a little fast now because my camera is running out of time on my memory card. So instead of having to use 2 different memory cards to edit this video, I'm just going to make sure that it gets done. So moving on to our cheeks, I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. blush palette. And I know that this is not a blush brush, but I want this blush to be kind of narrow. Like, I don't want it to be too much. I'm going to dip into this very pink color here. Next, I'm going to go into this highlight palette from the dollar store, my Family Dollar. And I'm going to go into this I'm going to go into Golden. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to do a black liner. And because it is Valentine's Day, we're going to do a red lip. Okay. I beat the clock. I have 2 minutes. So this is the finished look. This is our finished product. I'm super impressed with it. I very much love it. The reason we did a black liner instead of a chocolate liner is because we wanted it to be as dark as with the eyes. I did not put any liner in my lower lash line. I just did mascara, a very classic black mascara. So this is a very easy, simple Valentine's look, and you can go on a date anywhere with this look. It is very classic, very beautiful, very loving. It will draw any man that you're with in, I promise you. I love this look. I'm sorry I'm having to rush through this. I really just don't want to have to edit this on 2 different memory cards, but I have 1 minute. 60 seconds. So I hope that you guys like this. If you do, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please, 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 please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting and seeing me have to rush through stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, please, please subscribe. I know I just said that. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.